Okay, got my bag. We're going in.
Hi, my name is Belinda and I am a Goodwill bin addict. And I love it. Okay guys, welcome to Pretty Tattered. This is a channel where my husband Pat and I love to go thrifting and we resell and we make stuff over. And today we're taking you guys with us to go digging in a Goodwill bin store.
So we're finding the glassware today. Oh, it's a cute little dog. Oh, it's a dog. It's like a tiger. Anything unique. It's pretty. Ooh. What's in here? It's a little tea set. It's like... Okay, I'm going to get that because these are all going to get broke. So, trying to get to this stuff is really tedious. There's something broken there. Oh. An old Fire King. The little soldier guy is cute. Put this back in there. Oh. Those are really cool. There's a couple of these. There's 3 of them. Oh, I definitely want this if I can get it without breaking it. Oh, so hard to do. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I actually kind of like that. These are pretty vase. Oof, don't break it. Go to the other side. You know what they say? It always looks better. The grass is always greener on the other side of the fence kind of attitude. Oh, look at this platter. Oh my gosh. It even says hotel on it. It's so cool. I think I'm going to pass. Oh. That's a really cool glass dish right there. Look at her. She's cute. Look at this one. Oh, I like that. Oh, this bag is getting heavy. Look. This does have some chips though. Whoa, this bag is getting so heavy. What does this say? USA. It's actually kind of a cool piece, but I'm getting heavy here. Very delicate. That's pretty. These are all different. It's France. Those are pretty. Seen this while ago. He's not broke. I want him. He's cute. Oh my god. It's so much fun. Oh. I hope somebody didn't drop them. Oh no, there's a bunch of them in there. This is so much fun. I mean, I just love doing this so much. Isn't it crazy? It's just like this fever that we have to do this. We just have a blast. Even though my shoulder's breaking from all the glass hanging on it, it's still just so much fun. Oh, these are... Oh, it broke. There's one. Isn't that cute? I want that. Is it new? Oh, maybe it's new. Okay, never mind. It's a shame though, it's going to get broke. I just want to save some of it, you know? It's full of stuff. Oh, what a shame. He's been glued back on. Okay, I need to be on that side. I want him. These are so cute. I'm having to reach over to get this stuff. They're so cute. And then I'm going to have to go put this stuff up before I get any more stuff. Because they were so heavy. I really want the other one over there too, but... Oh, I'm going to go around real quick to get it. Let's see. They're so cute. And then there's like the little one. Go pass on him. Okay. The bag is definitely getting heavy. Oh, Santa's cute. Oh, there's another one. He's also broke. Okay. Ooh, the bin moved. Makes me nervous when they move. Santa reindeer, but I gotta go. My shoulder is hurting. So far, this is what I found. Looking pretty good today. I found this cool oval frame. It's wooden. I found this top. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute. And it's got these sleeves with the little buttons. It'll be cute over a tank. This is what I hate, is when they crisscross the aisles and block them like that. That's really rude. Don't you agree? Here you can even get the drapes already on the rod. It's cute. Ooh, look at the little vines. I probably could use these. Can I use more vines? These are wire and rusted looking. I definitely want these. A little old skillet. They're cute, like in a vignette. I think I'll get it. More records. Look, it's a shovel. I also got this. It's really thin. It's not real old, but it's got a cool looking knob on it, and it's going to be really lightweight, so I'm taking it. Well, hello there, stranger.
Hey.
You can pick up guys here too, by the way. I found the best one right here. Look. Tupperware. Think I can clean those up? We'll see. This is pretty interesting. I'm not sure what it is. Is it a throw? It's not a tablecloth, so it's got to be a throw, right? And it's actually kind of cute. I might have to get that. Some interesting colors. All right, I'm going to put this in the cart. And then what I'm going to do is I like to go back through, because a lot of people have already gone up and checked out, paid for their stuff. So I want to make sure the sign still says the same. Oh, the books have gone up to 40 cents now. There's always something going up, right? Right. At least glassware is still 19 cents a pound. Put this back in there. Fill up. Alright, now it's time to walk through and see what people decided against and they threw back in. Because sometimes you can find some really good stuff.
I found this old copper bucket, and I was pretty sure I could get this insulation out of it someone had put in there. Just so happens that I found this fork, and I prized that insulation right out of the bucket.
So this is
Anchor Hawkins,
what we've got.
I'm not sure, but I love this spout.
Yeah.
Free spout. Yeah, I got 2 of the ducks, as you guys seen, and then this really cute little vase and the Fire King creamer, and I got a string on me. I did have to put the tablecloth or whatever back, because I thought it was kind of high, because they weighed it out at the $2.09 a pound, and they really should have a different one for clothing, because clothing and stuff comes out kind of heavy in my opinion.
We had put it in a bag, and it started out $9 for the bag of contents. We took that out, and it went down to, what was it, $4?
Because when I took it out of the bag, it made it a slight bit of difference, but not a whole lot, and she just laughed. But
Yeah.
I was like, I ain't paying for my own bag.
Right.
I'm cheap, people. I'm here to get stuff at a good price, because we resell. And
Yeah, so that table runner is what I was saying was heavy.
So I'm showing you guys this as we're talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to get as good of a price as possible, and I just don't see paying for my own bag. But I did at some, I guess, to, just grabbing whatever I got to wrap this stuff up. And there's a little dog. This is a Fire King. I don't think it's that old, but it's really cool.
Yeah.
So I get it cheap in there, and I can sell it cheap to somebody. Ooh. And this was my find of the day. I think this was my find of the day. And you seen it on the video, I reached over the bins to get this thing.
Really?
Because it's in immaculate condition. Is that not great? I mean, look at that.
That's good.
Thank God it didn't get
Nice.
broke when
Good
I was
find.
shifting everything around. Yeah. I always have, I feel like, one good find here that is, to me, worth coming to. I mean, other people may be like, for one item, it's not worth it. I just love doing this. I'm a crazy lady, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, and I thought these were really cute. And we just went to an estate sale and they had some of these. They were like something like $5 for 3 of them. So I think that was a pretty good buy. Because we get them here really cheapo. So I mean, these things came out probably less than $1.
Yeah.
And then another little dog. And this, I have no clue what they were. I just grabbed them because they were tiny and I was just afraid they were going to be broke, and I just felt like I was a rescuer. So there may be absolutely nothing to any of this, but I do like those. Those are cute. Those are all Japanese, but because they're so, aw, that one's broke. They're so tiny. Like a little teapot. Oh, the teapot's broke. Well, maybe I just got them after they were already broke, or I may have broke them. I don't know. Oh well. Dang it, that even had its little lid. Look at that. God dang it. I don't think that I broke that because I don't see the handle in here, but look at the little poodle. Super cute. But the little sugar and creamer, little Japanese ones, those are cute. So
Yeah.
that would have been worth the bag. The rest of it, if I throw it away, I'll throw it away. This was Pat's. One needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Another glove. Wrap him up a little bit here. Heck pen. Is that it? We still have a lot of bags to do other stuff. So that's good. Then we got the bird cage. We kept it. Patio molds. And we kept the rabbit. We only kept this one on the globe because the other one was pretty scratched up through here, so we didn't. I probably need to take it out of here so it doesn't get scratched up, by the way. Kept the pool frog, these cute little bird hangers. The box, just because it was cool, old. I don't know, people. It doesn't weigh anything. That's the way I looked at it. Other things, Pat found some casters, and I always need these, so I grab them in here where I can, these little plate stands. Pat wants this if I don't want to sell it, and he can have it. This I thought was really cool. It's an old ice cream scooper, an old scooper, and it says Arnold, was that something, Racing, Wisconsin, patent February 1st of 1927. I thought that was kind of an interesting design there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So I got that. Found the handle. You never know when you need a handle for something to replace it.
That is true.
And can't pass up oval picture frames. I love them, and this one's wood, and especially these wood ones because they're getting really scarce to find. Just wooden picture frames in general are getting hard to find. Here's the other little wall plaque thing, and I need more wall things to hang in my booth just because they look really cute. And of course, had to get the vine because it looks really cool and bends. It's almost rusty looking, but these little ones are hard to find, these Boston Ivy looking things. So, and the rabbit, because I can do that mixture on him with the corn starch and stuff, so he can almost be like a statue, and they usually sell pretty good for me. Okay, and then the glove, which I wanted to protect, so maybe the only thing stays in the bag. Cat found some cool gold wire, and this, we don't know, it's some kind of a puzzle, so we'll figure that out maybe. I'll Google it. I cheat, I'll Google it. And of course I have to have these for my paperwork, so I always grab them up because the cheapest you can find anymore is 97 cents at Walmart. So if I can get them here, it'll be really cheap. It'll be like pennies. Okay, so that's our stuff. Now we're going to go, this is what we got at the estate sale, the tools, which were really cool. And I just got the one.
The clock I'm taking to my dad because he fixes clock. We already had it. Yeah.
At the estate sale. Everything else was expensive, but that, and then there's more other old tools that Pat got. They do really good in our booth. He sells these really well. He usually cleans them up. So this is our stash to start out with. We still have plenty of room. So we are going to hit our St. Paul's thrift store, which is one of our favorites. And we're going to go to the the Habitat store because we love it. Gotta look for furniture at Habitat.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go eat. So thanks for coming with us, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun because we love these places. See you in a little bit.
All we found at the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store was this Ray Dunn almond milk pitcher for 95 cents and the ironstone platter for $1.45. Then we went to Habitat for Humanity.
Okay, I got 4 of these for $1, and this was $1, but it was 50% off, and I just love the color. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I just love the color. $5 for this because it was unique. $3 for the old wooden rocking chair. I love it so much. It was my find. Pat got some of this, and he got some tools. Look at this. This is cool. That's old looking. Okay, that's cool. Made in Japan.
Lead holder.
That's cool.
Mechanical pencil in it.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're ready to load her up.
All right, guys, thanks for coming with us. We hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, happy thrifting. Thanks for watching. Bye.